Some 300 to 400 centuries ago, on discovery and isolation of large number of elements, chemists asked themselves, can we arrange the elements in some pattern or some order? Is there anything common? So early chemists decided to arrange the elements. They tried to arrange elements according to their valencies, metallic and non-metallic character. But method was discarded because there was many drawbacks. Later in 1815, a German chemist found interest in it. He observed the elements and he tried to arrange elements in his own way. He arranged elements in a group of three. Generally, the weight of the middle element was the average of the other two. But this method was also discarded because it didn't hold true for all the elements. Another curious chemist in 1864, Newland, arranged elements in increasing order of their atomic weights, and he arranged in such a way that the eighth element was seen to repeat the property of the first element. This was very similar to the periodic table which we have now, means elements are arranged in this order. Now, this method was discarded because it didn't leave spaces for undiscovered elements. Then came Mendeleev and later Moseley. Mendeleev arranged elements which we now see the periodic table. He has designed it. Okay, and Moseley has made a bit changes. Mendeleev arranged elements according to their atomic weight. Mendeleev was a genius. He left spaces for elements below aluminum and silicon. At that time, gallium and germanium wasn't discovered. Uh, Mendeleev predicted that in future these elements will be discovered, and he also predicted the possible properties that they will have. Mendeleev arranged periodic table in the increasing order of their atomic weights. For some elements he ignored the order of atomic weights. Moseley later in 1912 did some correction. Instead of arranging the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights, he arranged elements in the increasing order of their atomic number. And he stated that the properties of elements were periodic functions of their atomic numbers, which is known as modern period law.